right, now to a local Aiken school and the investigation surrounding it. The South Carolina Attorney General's office involved here.
A local businessman is accused of misleading clients and moving their money to Campus Academy. That's a school that's owned by his wife. Ashley Bridges is here now with more.
Again, you may wonder why a school is being investigated by the Attorney General's office, not by the Superintendent of Education. Well, the suit says it claims that the school's built on a shaky financial foundation, and today its founder and her husband, who runs an investment firm, were in court. The foundation for this school is laid and it's at least 80% complete, but today its leader was in court instead of on campus. Campus Academy is caught in the middle of a securities fraud civil suit. Assistant Attorneys General have frozen Campus's assets and those of J. Brooks Financial, whose owner is married to Campus's founder. They're alleging fraud and deceit.
That's a very serious matter. That's something that's been done less than a handful of times in the last 20 years. That's something that's not taken lightly.
More than a dozen potential Campus parents and investors traveled to Columbia to support Tracy Brooks and Campus Academy. One investor says he put in more than $100,000 and he'd be happy to put in more.
There are some disgruntled lenders, but there's a majority of it are not. The majority of us all know the need, number one, for the school.
Jay Brooks says it's all about the academy, even if he isn't a part of it.
It's everything. It's why we willingly are volunteering to step away. Whatever I have to do to make sure that that school goes up, I'm willing to do it.
The Assistant Attorney General says that isn't the point.
It's really not about Campus Academy. It's about the securities. No one here is talking about the merits of Campus Academy. We're really talking about Mr. Brooks's financial dealings.
Attorneys for the Brooks say Campus must be completed. If not, even the lenders lose.
You would then have a big white whale in Aiken County with no prospects of making income.
Whether there's probably some question as to whether everybody agreed to their funds being placed in Campus Academy, but the truth is, as you saw from the picture, the building is built. It's about 80% complete. It will be open in about 2 months.
So where do you go from here to be sure that money hasn't gone out the window?
The only way we're going to get our money out of it is the kids walking in the halls. Because used drywall, used metal studs, and windows that have been put in place one time aren't worth much on the resale market.
And before that happens, it will be back to court. The Attorney General is working with the Brooks attorneys to establish a receiver for the accounts. That means there would be someone who could determine how that frozen money can be used in the meantime before the full case is heard in court. A hearing on that is scheduled for next Friday, and we'll keep you updated. Brad?